Find advantages or weakness together. Highlight features of 011-9-0-0-8 H13 LED bulbs, dual beam conversion kit, CanBus Ready. 400% brighter 16,000 lumens 6500K white for Ford, Yukon, Jeep, Dodge, Chevy. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include 400% brighter, 80 watts 16,000 lumens per pair. Customized high-power LMP LED chips, produce 6500K white light and 360 degrees illumination. The brightest 9-0-0-8 H13 of 011-2. Ultra-thin board effectively simulates original lamp's beam pattern, no blinding to others. The movable locker ring of H13 LED bulbs enable some models of Dodge, Ford, Toyota, GMC, Honda to adjust and obtain the best light beam pattern. These non-polarity LED H13, 9-0-0-8 bulbs are sized to fit directly into stock housing and factory sockets, no more modification on car light housing or cover. Install in minutes. Upgraded driver with built-in intelligent IC and temperature control, making the 9-0-0-8 LED bulbs error-free for 99% of vehicles. System ensures the H13 bulb without radio interference and error code. Whole aviation aluminum lamp body combine with 1,2000 RPM cooling fan provides super cooling ability, which ensures a longer lifespan up to 50,000 hours. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.